Hi everyone, in this video learn some of the most exotic avian wonders from different countries of the world. Uganda shoebill stork, Kenya lilac-breasted roller, China golden pheasant, India peacock, Thailand great hornbill, Madagascar pochard, Spain European bearded, Japan red crown crane, Greece Eurasian hoopoe, Indonesia bird of paradise, USA California condor, France wall creeper, UK puffin, Costa Rica scarlet macaw, Norway white-tailed eagle, Brazil harpy eagle, Mexico resplendent quetzal, South Africa grey crown crane, Canada snowy owl, Peru Indian cock of the rock, Colombia toucan, Russia Siberian crane, Australia cassowary,